Lastly, let's talk about saving your work. Google AI Studio allows you to save your prompts and AI responses. Look for the Save or History option, usually located at the top or side of the interface. This helps you revisit your previous experiments or keep track of effective prompts you've used. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, you can start saving your actual work. For example, I've saved my prompt here, and I've given it a custom name for easy reference. One of the coolest features is that you can share your saved prompts with others. Google AI Studio generates a shareable link, making it easy to collaborate or showcase your creations. If you're curious about what else you can do, don't forget to explore the built-in examples and documentation. Google provides plenty of sample problems, so you can see the true potential of these AI models. And if you're looking to dive deeper, the official documentation offers advanced tips, usage guides, and best practices to take your AI skills even further. So, congratulations!